Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Riftar. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Accord, a car that's been a staple in the midsize sedan segment for decades. With sleek updates, cutting-edge tech and Honda's legendary reliability, this might just be the most compelling Accord yet. Let's break it down. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Accord delivers. The redesigned front end features a bolder grille with chrome accents and sharp standard LED headlights. The roofline flows into a fastback-inspired silhouette, giving it a sporty aerodynamic look. New 19-inch alloy wheels and dual exhaust tips add a touch of aggression. Honda says the design isn't just for show, it improves airflow, boosting efficiency. Step inside and the Accord feels premium yet practical. The cabin uses soft touch materials with grain trim and contrast stitching. Front seats are ergonomic and ventilated, and rear legroom is huge, perfect for families. The trunk A-Class leading 16.7 cubic feet. But the star is the 12.3-inch touchscreen responsive wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new voice command system, plus a 12-speaker Bose sound system and wireless charging pad. It's a tech lover's dream. Under the hood, the Accord stays hybrid-focused. The 2.0L Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder dual electric motors combo delivers 204 horsepower and a staggering 44 mpg combined. For those craving excitement, sport mode tightens the steering and amplifies throttle response. The suspension's been retuned, smoother over bumps but still nimble in corners. And with regenerative braking, you'll save fuel without sacrificing stopping power. Tech-wise, Honda doesn't hold back. The Honda Sensing Suite now includes traffic jam assist and improved adaptive cruise control with lane change assist. The 10.2-inch digital cluster is customizable, and over-the-air updates keep software fresh. New for 2025, parking emergency braking and a 360-degree camera, perfect for tight spaces. If you're in the market for a stylish, dependable and tech-packed 2025 Honda Accord, is definitely worth a test. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature on the new Corolla? See you in the next video.